My dear students, today I am going to explain you very important parts of speech of our grammar known as adverb. Adverbs plays a very important role in grammar. Now we will understand what is adverb. Please listen to this lecture very carefully. An adverb is a verb that is used to change. An adverb is a verb that is used to change, modify, qualify a verb, adjective, or a clause. Means the main role of an adverb is to change, to modify, or to qualify several types of words, including adjective, clause, or verb. This is the main role. Means it changes the meaning of an adjective, verb, or a clause. It qualifies them, it molds them. So this is the main role of the adverb. And the other part is adverb provides the context and description of how, where, when, in what manner, and to what extent. The main role of adverb, the second point, is that in what manner, up to what an extent, how much a particular thing has happened, and how that particular thing has impacted the sentence. Like how, where, when, in what manner, and to what extent something is done or happens. In what manner something has happened, to what extent it has happened, where it has happened, and in what manner it has made an impact on the sentence. So my dear students, very clear and simple definition of adverb is a word that helps a adjective, a verb, or a clause to qualify, to modify, or to change. Is used to change, modify, or qualify words including adjective, verb, or clause. Or even adverb can change a word or a phrase also. And adverb second role is that to what an extent, how much, in what magnitude the particular sentence has been changed or it has impact. Adverbs actually paints a fuller picture. Fuller picture of a sentence. It tells that how much something has happened. Describe how much something has happened. Fuller picture it has done. Now we will come spotting an adverb, especially when at the end of the words, the word, if something ly is added, then most probably it is adverb. The easiest things to identify an adverb is that at the end ly will be there. It is not always the case, but most of the time it's the case. Adverb defines different type of things. She always arrives early. She always arrives early. Here we can see that she always arrives early. Here in early ly is used. It is an adverb. She always arrives early. When? Always. Here when is used to describe the purpose. Like she always arrives early. When she arrives early? Always. How he drives carefully. ly is used, then it's a adverb. How he drives carefully. How? Always. How is just used to describe the essence of adverb. They go everywhere together. Here ly is not used. Everywhere here is an adverb because it is helping the auxiliary verb to complete its meaning and together. Okay, so here it is everywhere is painting the full picture. It is telling in what context, up to what level they go. Like I have explained here, everywhere. So it is an adverb. Where? She eats slowly. ly has come. It's an adverb. She eats slowly. In what way? In a slow manner. So here is the adverb. Okay. Now the next parts. Adverbs can always be used to modify verb. Adverbs is always used to modify verb. Always remember, this is the first point. The dog ran. Ran here is the verb. The dog ran. The is the article. Dog is a common noun. Run, ran, rung. Ran is the second form of the verb. It is a verb. Which verb it is? It is a action verb. Why? Because the dog is running. Here the dog ran excitedly. Excitedly, ly has come. It in this particular sentence, the adverb have helped the word ran to complete its meaning. So excitedly here is adverb. This is the first part. Second part, adverbs are often formed by adding the letters ly to adjectives. When we add the letters ly to an adjective, like I have told, it makes it easier to identify the verbs in a sentence. But this is not always the rule. Somewhere, everywhere, otherwise are exception. But most of the times when to adjective the word ly is added, then it's an adjective. Second point. Third point, adverb is used to modify an adjective and intensify the meaning it conveys. It also used to modify the verb, but adverb is also used to modify an adjective. Means to change an adjective by adding the word ly and intensify its meaning. Intensify its meaning means tell its meaning in great details. Third point. For example, he plays tennis extremely well. Extremely, ly is plays. He plays. Plays here is verb. Tennis, he plays extremely. What he plays? Extremely well. So it has modified. Extremely is an adjective here. So it has added ly to intensify, to teach, to tell its quality. So extremely here is the adjective. So this is the first part of the verb, my dear students. I have zooming it for you. If you don't understand anything, please let me know. Thank you very much.